Let's look at different ways of handling missing data in Python. There are different ways in which you can handle missing data in Python. The first, you can either use the drop down. You can use either the fill now, use the fill now, you use the drop now, and use the interpolation method. So you could either fill the missing data. You can either fill the missing data with some value. You can either fill your missing data with some value and work with that. So first of all, let's import the data frame into Python. First import pandas, pandas, and import pandas as pd, and let's say pd dot read. I have different files here, but we are just going to use let's say one after the. Let me try the interpolation txt. If that is not okay, you see, first and foremost, I'm going to see how we can use the fill now. I'm going to see how we can use the fill now to fill in those datasets in Python. So let's do a data frame. First and foremost, let's make this start. So let's run this and let's see the dataset. Let's move read. This are the datasets now. So if I want to run this in Python, okay, let me just copy, let me just do this now. And also new underscore data frame is equal to data frame dot. Now, the method I want to use, I think I'm going to use the fill me now. So let's use the fill now. First, let's see how we can use the fill now. Let's see how we can use the fill now. Okay, the fill now. I click fill now with 0 first. Let's see. Okay, that was the error. Now you can see this only fills with 0 values. Now it fills with 0 values in this particular. It fills the message with 0 value. Message with 0 values. So another way in which you can use, we can simply pass in the, we can pass in the dictionary here. We just say price. Okay, can simply pass in the dictionary and use the price. Can simply pass in the dictionary and use the price. And we say wherever there is missing value, wherever there is missing value, that should be, let's say, anywhere there is missing value, that should fill it with 8,500 or something like this. We could just run it. You can see wherever there is missing value, it fills it with 5,500. Another way we could do that is using the forward fill. Let's try to use the forward fill instead of using this. We could decide to fill method. Okay, and want that. Okay, that fix it. You can see that we have 1002. The fix is 1002, 1002, 1002. And then where we have the 1005, the fix is 1005. So it fills it forward. It does a forward fill 1005, 1005. It also we could also decide to when we want to do that, we could also use the interpolation method. Okay, let me copy this code. That is the data set that we just that is the data set we just don't use it. Okay, we could decide to use the interpolation method if we don't want to use that. We could decide to use the interpolation method and say, okay, I don't want to use the fill now, I want to interpolate. I don't want to fill those missing value with another value, but rather I want to interpolate that particular. So that does the interpolation. Now you can see where we have the 1000, where we have the 1005, where we have the 1200 Python interpolate part. So when we go to original data set, then we have 1002 Python interpolate part. So we go to 1005. Now and you can see interpolation. But take note interpolation method is also depends on your data set you want to interpolate. Now you can see our Python interpolated that. Now I can also say I want to interpolate. By default, Python use the linear interpolation method. By default, I could say okay now the method. I don't want Python to use a linear. I want to use rather a quadratic interpolation method. I run that. Now you can see that gives me something different from the one that was done by Python using that. I could also say, okay, I don't want the quadratic. I want to use a cubic. Okay, at times the cubic works in, it depends on the data set. Also, your data set also matters. So now you can see the cubic, you can see the cubic in interpolation method. So please how to fill missing value in Python, because either decide to fill those missing value with another value, you could decide to use a formula to drop those rows with missing value, or you could decide to interpolate. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumb up. Give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to our social media channel. Instagram, with all our social media channel, the Instagram, our YouTube channel, our TikTok channel, and our Facebook channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you love it, remember, give it a thumb up.